We are looking at how to pronounce 30 of the most famous and most mispronounced dog breed names from the least famous to the most famous, so make sure to stay tuned. Schnauzer or schnauzer is how it's said. Keeshond, yeah, an obscure one. Dalmatian, you probably knew that one, Dalmatian. Russkiy toy, meaning the Russian toy, russkiy toy. Dog breed. Yorkshire, named after a county in the UK. Yorkshire. Terrier in British English, or terrier in American English. Terrier is how it's said. Maltese, dog. Pekingese, yeah, confusing spelling here. Shih, dog. Beauceron, a name from French, beauceron or beauceron. Techichi, not Techichi or Techichi, Techichi. Chihuahua, doberman, or in American English, doberman. Rottweiler, or in German, rottweiler. Shepherd, as in a German shepherd, for example. The spelling is confusing, but it's easy. From Canada, Newfoundland, or British English, Newfoundland. Dogue de Bordeaux, in English, dogue de Bordeaux. Golden retriever. Lhasa Apso, Shih Tzu, from China. Canaan, Akita Inu, Japanese dog breed. Pomeranian, Samoyed, tricky one, that one. Shiba Inu, from Italian, cane corso, it's how it's said in Italy, cane corso. Belgian Malinois, from French, Belgian Malinois. Xoloitzcuintle, yeah, that's probably the most tricky one to say. Xoloitzcuintle. Dachshund, from German, probably the most mispronounced, this one, Dachshund. And finally, Bichon frise, from French, Bichon frise. Bichon frise is how you say it in English, and now you know. Stay tuned to learn more correct pronunciations. Here are videos for you to learn more and improve your pronunciation, including of more dog breed names. See you there. Thanks for watching.